Do you want to know how you can log into your Paisabazaar Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Paisabazaar Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar, then search for Paisabazaar Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this page of paisabazaar.com. You can see login on the top right hand side. Go ahead and click on it and it will lead you to the official login portal of Paisabazaar Mutual Fund. You can see that you can log in using your Google account or your phone number. If you want to log in using your phone number, go ahead and write down your phone number, click login with OTP code, and then you can see that a phone number will be available here. Click login with OTP. An OTP code will be sent to your phone number. Go ahead and check your phone. Write down the OTP code here. Click verify and login. And then you can log into your Paisabazaar Mutual Fund account using your phone number. If you want to log in using your Google account, go ahead and click continue with Google. It will lead you to this portal where you can choose your Google account and then click confirm or continue to sign in to Paisabazaar Mutual Fund. In a while, you can log into your Paisabazaar Mutual Fund account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.